Wait.
Look at that. Oh, look, she fell out. Uh-oh.
Was that fun?
I don't think she liked it.
Daddy, that's so funny. Daddy, I can fit in that.
Baby. Baby. He wants to do it.
Alright, we'll try you. Dad, that is too small for me.
Are you ready? We're just going to roll in this way.
Okay.
Ready? Okay. I'm going to
Uh-oh, get his head out.
I can't.
Hold on. There we go. All right.
Is that fun?
Broke. he said it's broke.
Oh, that ball. That was kind of scary.
Caitlin, you want to try it? I wish I could fit in it. I'd roll, boy.
Oh, barrel. You got a barrel?
A barrel?
Something right.
I got a garbage can.
That is a garbage can. I like getting in garbage